If Pixlr says failed to load font, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the exact fixes step by step so you can get your custom font working again without wasting time guessing. This usually happens because of a bad file name, a compressed zip file, the wrong font format, or a browser issue. And the good news is that it's usually easy to fix. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick software fixes and editing guides. First, do not upload the font directly from a zip archive. If your font came in a compressed file, right-click the folder and choose Extract All so the actual font file is fully unpacked before you try to use it. Next, check the file name carefully. Pixlr can crash or fail to read fonts when the name contains special characters, dashes, underscores, spaces, or version numbers. The safest option is to rename the file to one simple word, like font name, with no extra symbols at all. After that, verify the file format. Pixlr works best with TTF files, so if your TTF file still fails, try converting it online to OTF. Or if it's already OTF, convert it to TTF to refresh the metadata and give Pixlr a cleaner file to read. Once the font file is cleaned up, install it globally on your PC. On Windows, right-click the font file and click Install. This registers the font directly into the system, which can help Windows and Pixlr recognize it properly. Now open Pixlr Editor and go to the Text tool. Expand the font drop-down menu and scroll all the way down until you see Add Local Font. Click that option, then browse to your renamed font file on your computer and select it. This tells Pixlr to load the font locally instead of relying only on the browser. If the font still shows up as a generic style or doesn't appear correctly, force a hard refresh by pressing Ctrl and F5 at the same time. That clears out temporary browser glitches and reloads the page properly. Also, if you have any ad blocker or browser extension running, try turning it off temporarily because some extensions can interfere with Pixlr's font loading process. After that, refresh Pixlr again and check the text tool one more time. In most cases, one of these fixes will solve the fail to load font error and get your design working normally again. So to recap quickly, unzip the file first, rename it to a simple word, make sure the format is TTF or OTF, install it on your PC, add it locally in Pixlr, and refresh the browser if needed. If this video helped, please hit like and subscribe for more practical tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.